Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see what we learn today as a topic. It is poem Afternoon on a Hill. So look, in the segment of topic it is written poem Afternoon on a Hill. If you open your buzzword book page number 82, you will get this poem. Okay, look, this is our lecture number 5th and homework number 5th also. Dear students, I am telling you to open your buzzword book, New Success with Buzzword book, page number 82. So look at a colorful picture of this poem. Title is Afternoon on a Hill. Page number 82 I am telling you again. Let's start. So I am telling you the title again. It is Afternoon on a Hill. So look, in the poem we see there are 12 lines, and each 4 lines there is one stanza. Try to understand. Each 4 line there is a stanza, then 4 lines stanza, that means gap. After 4 lines there is a gap, and after 4 lines there is also a gap, and finally after 4 lines there is a gap also, and at the end it is written the poet's name. Poet is Edna Stevenson Millay. Edna Stevenson Millay. You can write the poet's name at the end of the poem or after the title, Afternoon on a Hill. You can write here, or at the end of the poem you can write poet's name. Okay, let's start. I will be the gladdest thing. I will be the gladdest things. Here I represents the speaker. Speaker is telling here that he will be the or she will be the very much gladdest person. Under the sun, I will touch 100 flowers and not pick one. So speaker is telling here that he will touch 100 flowers but will not pick one. Okay, look next. I will look at cliffs and clouds. So look at the meaning of this word cliffs. In the word meaning segment it is written high rock with steep sides. It is represented here cliffs, and clouds, you know the meaning of this word clouds, with quiet eyes. Quiet means very much calm and gentle eyes without making any kind of sound. Watch the wind bow down the grass and the grass rise. And when lights began to show up from the town, I will mark which must be mine and then start down. Okay, so dear students, we have finished here 12 lines of the poem, and some word meanings are given just to understand, not to memorize. So look at the word meaning segment. Only 2 word meanings. One is gladdest, means the happiest person, happiest, and the cliffs I have already told. It is high rocks with steep sides, usually close to the sea. So I am telling you to write the formula or the proper way of this poem. At first you must write the title. What is the title? It is Afternoon on a Hill. Okay, then so look, proper way. I will be the gladdest things. Then you must follow the way as it is written in our book. After 4 lines there will be a gap, then after 4 lines there will be a gap, and after 4 lines you will follow the line segment. I am telling again, you will follow the line segment while doing your homework. Dear students, look at the end. It is look at the end of our book. It is written homework. What is written here? It is poem 12 lines. In totally the poem is about 12 lines. You will memorize it and do your homework. Dear students, I hope that you have understood and you will try to memorize 12 lines of the poem and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.